Тоді бачимо зразу другий туди. Давай, Віктор.
An intercepted phone call between a Russian soldier and his wife has shed some light on the huge losses suffered by the Wagner mercenary group during the full-scale invasion of Ukraine. In the call, published on Sunday by Ukrainian military intelligence, the unidentified couple discusses a recruitment leaflet she received in the post that had been distributed in every mailbox where she lives. "And what are they promising?" the husband asks. The wife replies, "The best training with qualified instructors, health and life insurance, and a guarantee of all payments. We have modern special clothing, the best equipment and weapons." The husband then says he is a bit freaked out to know the leaflets are being distributed and claims Wagner is having to widen its search for new recruits as there aren't enough suitable recruits left in Russia's prisons and penal colonies. He then adds, "My acquaintance, who is now at Wagner, he's a driver, and he makes more than 15 trips a day. Comas truck is completely filled with corpses." A Comas truck is a large, 4, sometimes 6-wheeled Russian military truck. It's not known when the call was recorded, but Wagner's chief Yevgeny Prigozhin has said that his group lost 20,000 men in the battle for Bakhmut. In its daily assessment on Monday, the British Ministry of Defense said the number of troops killed on both sides had surged since Ukraine launched summer offensive operations this month. Both sides are suffering heavy losses, with Russian casualties probably the highest since the peak of the Battle of Bakhmut in March, the intelligence concluded. The Ukrainian Defense Forces claim that 220,450 Russian troops have been killed since the start of Moscow's full-scale invasion. The Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Valery Zaluzhny, together with the Chief of the General Staff of the Armed Forces of Ukraine, Serhiy Shaptala, visited the troops performing the most difficult tasks at the front in the areas where the fiercest battles are taking place. The Commander-in-Chief emphasized that Russians tried to prevent units of the Ukrainian armed forces from advancing. For this purpose, they have deployed a system of fortifications with dense mines and numerous reserves. Despite fierce resistance of the invaders, our soldiers are doing everything possible to liberate Ukrainian territory. The operation continues as planned, Zaluzhny said. A chevron with little Yoda on it can be seen on Zaluzhny's flak jacket.
З навода ведення штурмової дій на техніці з підтримкою танків для захоплення цієї посадки. Після цього розвиток успіху на цей рубіж і заняття цього.
And not all news from Ukraine are good. Russian paratroopers from the 76th Airborne Division claim to be advancing west of Kreminna. Ukrainian Defense Ministry confirms the Russian offensive in the area and says the situation is difficult. This is a video of the launch of 2 TOW-2 anti-tank missiles from the U.S. infantry fighting vehicle Bradley M2A2 at an enemy targets in Zaporizhzhia region at nighttime. This footages show the difference in quality between Western and Russian weapons. Wait for it, is worth it.
тоді бачимо зразу другий туди. Давай, Віктор. Воно, лівій, бачиш, якраз світиться. Що, показуємо до сих пор.
French President Macron announced the delivery of Franco-Italian SAMP-T air defense system to Ukraine. This is surface-to-air medium-range defense system, which is fulfilling the ground-based theater air defense and protection requirement. The system uses a network of radars and sensors, including 3D phased array radar, enabling it to be effective against various air threats such as aircraft, tactical ballistic missiles, standoff missiles, cruise missiles, or anti-radiation missiles. The SAMP-T uses an upgraded version of the Arabelle long-range radar, developed under the Aster 30 Block 1 upgrade program, in order to extend the system's capability against higher speed and higher altitude targets. The Aster 30 Block 1 can intercept missiles with a 370 miles range, like a short-range ballistic missiles. This system will be a great asset for Ukrainian air defense, along with the US Patriot, German Iris, and the older Soviet S-300 systems. During the recent Russian attacks on Ukrainian cities, the air defense has proven to be highly effective against Russian cruise and ballistic missiles, as well as Iranian drones, with a success rate of 95% in downing threats.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.